Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now let us discuss about the code of a sign-in login page by using Firebase and by using service accounts which will be add the data to the Firebase. Now first let us go to the code of the signup.ejs. We will store the code in the EJS format because we will be using for it is a backend. The first we have declared about the star means all the margin and padding of the pages will be 0 pixels, so the adjusting of the page will be perfect. Next, body display flux center. We will align the image all the content to the center, so we have given the display justify content align at item center. Next we have used background. Next, head position relative. The position will be relative because the data will be stored in the head will be there. Head.form box and head.form box login. In this format, we will be given the code of the width and height of the box we have been created. Input.label, the label which have been declared will be using this CSS code. In the next, we have declared about the input data, how it will be entered, and the button data of before or clicking and after the clicking, and form box link. When they click on this sign up link, it will be directed. And we have declared about the background of the images. Now let us go into our HTML code. First we have declared a class head, class BG and BG2 is span which have been given. Next we have declared about sign up from form action sign up method post. On clicking of the page will be directed to the sign up page. Next we have created a button called label username. By here we can enter the username of the data. Next we have created about the input password. Here the password will be given and the data of the label password is given as password. Next we have given about the data to enter the age. In this we also integrated about the JavaScript code of giving head check. We have declared about the ID as head check here, so it will be taken at the rate gmail.com. If we had not entered about the rate gmail.com, then it will intimate that please enter your email ID of the information correctly. If yes, verify the given email. Else, it will give please enter a valid email ID. In the next, we have given it CH checkup KP. Here we have given it for the password. If we enter all the password below 8 characters, it will be intimated and it will be directed. It will be stored in the database. Next, we have declared about check, which will check the age. If the age is between the above 16 and below 16, then only the user can be used this sign in page. Next, we will go to our sign-in page. In the sign-in page, we have declared a general CSS of the body, header, and the section which we have declared, and for the label and input button. And here we have given a staff.login form action equal to sign in. Then it will be added to the sign in page. Next we have ID email. We have given the ID as email and name as email. Here the name email will be used in the server code. Next we have declared about the password, input type password. Here the name password is also used. Now let us see about this bot we have written in the server code. First, we have taken a constant express and we require the express package we have imported and next Firebase admin because the data has to be stored in the Firebase. Next, we have taken about the key.json file. Here, the key.json file is used to store the data in the database. Next, we will go to the again server code and see that app.use express. We have used the express here and views. We have created a folder name as views which will be given a path.join direct name. It will be joined to the views folder and all the formats must be EGS. Next app.get of sign up page. First it will be directed when the port has been running, it will be directed to the sign up page. Next app.post to sign up. The data will be of email password will be getting into the post means it will be displayed and here db.collection of edit track. We have created here about the edit track as our start collection. Now here the data will be stored of email, password and age. Next it will go out renders. Return rest.render.sign in. Next it will be directed to sign in page. Rest.status of error. If it is error, it will be the error storing user data. Because data is not stored, it will be not directed to sign in page. Next it will be go to app.post get sign in. It will be directed to sign in page and render means it will be display the sign in page. Next, constant email comma password. If we enter the email password they are correct, then it will be directed to the next. Here we have used email and password. These email and password which have been declared in the signin.ejs, which has email as name as email and password as name equal password. We have used them here in the server code. If they are equal, then only that will be data will be directed if we given a next page. Now let us see of the working of this code. As the server we have been running continuously, we can by using npm dot run server, it will be continuously, and when we save the code, it will be run again. Now let us go and see the code execution of this code. By typing localhost at 5000, because our port is about 5000. Our page name is repair high, so it will be displayed here. Next, we will enter the data of the user. Now let us enter the data of the user name called Vivek12, his mail ID first, and next his password, and next his age about 23. If we type the age lower, for example, you will get in an invalid age. So we have to type the age correct. Above 16 only they can enter the page. Here the data is being stored in the database. Here it has been entered in the staff.login page. As we see that when we enter the email and password, it will be, if we given a next page, the data will be go to the next page. Thank you for watching this video.